This is Pete's Man Cave. Please make sure that you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, these videos aren't going to be able to keep on coming to you. Okay, so we're going to weld 6.7 millimeter aluminum. And we have the U roller in the HBM2280 with the graphite liner that came with the machine. And we have it hooked up to argon, and we have it up to 35 cubic feet per minute. And we're going to program it now. So we're going into MIG synergy mode. Tells us to hook the ground cable up to the negative. So that's what we're doing. We're going to change it over to stainless steel. We don't have 1.0 millimeter. We got 0.9 millimeter wire in there, which is the same thing as 35. We're going with 2T. And this says it goes up to 4.8 millimeters, but we got more than that. So right now it says we're gonna be running at 21 volts, 10 meters per minute. So let's give that a try. And the inductance is a 1. So let's see how that works. Now let's try and do this aluminum. 6.7 millimeters. And we're doing it with 21 volts. Let's heat it up first, just to make sure it's ready to go. Okay, let's give her a shot. Looking pretty good from here. Looking real good. A little bit hot, I don't want to touch it. So that's aluminum welding. with the HBM2280 at 6.7 millimeters of aluminum thick with 0.9 millimeter wire. This is Pete's Man Cave. Please make sure that you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, these videos aren't going to be able to keep on coming to you.